we are going to understand the Streamit option, various functionalities. As you can see here, we are going to understand it one by one. First, we can look at this general option. General option contains body layout, back to top option, and favicon. Body layout contains grid container width. You can adjust your width with this slide. Body set option, if you want to change its color, simply select color as per your requirement. Here is another option if you want, that is an image. You can simply upload your image here. Make sure you save all the changes that you have created here. Simply click. Now there is other two options if you want to explore. Second is back to top. Here, if you want this option back to top, you need to click on this yes button. If you don't want, simply click on no and make sure you save the changes. Now favicon. Favicon, here you can see a default Streamit logo that appears here. You can upload your logo to look your website more customized. Make sure you have saved the changes. In this loader option, if you want your customized website having this kind of GIF animation, you can simply click on yes. If you don't want it, simply click on no. If yes, then you can also select its color by clicking over here. Also, you can upload your own GIF file of animated GIF over here by simply clicking on this upload. You can also adjust its height by this width, height and its unit. After that, save changes. Header. Header has menu layout, header top and sticky layout. If you want to customize your menu layout, come here. Here you can style your menu. You can add a very creative background. Even there is an option to color your menu options, sub-menu options, and also you can make it responsive. Header top. If you want media, email address or social media accounts to be visible, simply go here and add your information here. If you don't want it, turn it off. Sticky header. You can also explore this to customize and make your website more aesthetic. Logo. Here there is a two option. First, you need to name your logo. Here it is Streamit, so it is written Streamit. If you want to upload an image of your logo, come here, upload your image, and you can see your image will be displayed here. You can also adjust its size, its height and its width with this option. Make sure you save. Page banner settings. In this setting option, you can upload your banner image, you can style your banner, you can add the banner in the inner pages too. Also, you can add breadcrumbs on your banner. You can title it, you can title with different hierarchies. You can select colors. If you want your banner background is image, color or video, you can do experiment with this option. Also, you can set your image here and you can also set an opacity. Save changes. Footer. Footer has footer image, footer option and footer copyright. Here in this footer image option, if you want to display background image, simply click yes and upload your image. If you don't want it, select no. If you want to add color, you can select color over here, and if you don't want it, select no. Second option is footer option. You can explore this option to customize your footer. After that, there is a footer copyright. If you want to appear this text on your footer copyright, select this. If you want to make on the left side, right side or center, choose this. And if you don't want it, simply select no and save the changes. Social media. In this option, you can add various social media accounts or handles visible on your WordPress. You need to simply add your URL on below. image on your error page, you can simply upload image over here. You can also give a suitable title and suitable description here. Blog has general blog settings and single post settings. In general blog settings, you can structurize your blog. First, you can upload your blog banner over here by uploading image. You can also structurize your all blogs with this option. After that, blog single post. You can structurize your single blog with this option. If you allow comments, simply take it yes, and if you don't want comments, simply take it off. Page settings. Here are three options, that is page settings, search page setting and default search banner image. If you want a banner image, upload your image here. If you want to structurize your search bar, you can simply select any one of the options stated here. Also, your page setting to structurize your page. User account settings. Here are various options for user account settings. Likewise, sign up button title. If it is a register, you can select here a register page. Here I have written login, you can select a login page here. Here I have written account, you can select account page over here. Likewise, you can customize whatever you want to. Here is a typography. If you want to change typography of the body text or any headers, you can come here and customize your typography. Color attributes. Here in this color attributes, you can change the color of this site. Set primary colors, you can set secondary colors, you can select body gradient color options by here. Additional code. If you want some other functionalities, such things, you can simply add code over here. Import and export option. If you want anything to import and if you want to anything to export, you can simply use this option. Thanks for watching it. Happy Streamit.